Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you. And what a special one do I have planned for all of you today, because I am bringing you a brand new unboxing of the all new DJI Avata 2 up close, high quality. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss out on this one. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mavic Pro, the Air 3S, and of course the Mini 5, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into today's video, which will be quite an exciting one, and that's because literally just a few hours ago our good friend Bonakito, his YouTube channel, I will link it down below. I believe he was the one that was able to get his hands on the DJI Avata 2 pretty early. So huge thanks to him. He is the original owner of this video. Make sure to check him out, link down below to his channel. But without any much further ado, I would like to go ahead and take a look at this brand new Avata 2 and see what this new combo is going to offer. This is going to be the combo that's going to be costing, I believe that is the pricing. It's going to be $999 for this combo. Not cheap whatsoever, but let's go ahead and see if that high price tag can be justified. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing of this new Avata 2. So here we have it, the all new DJI Avata 2. Let's go ahead, open it up and see what this new Avata 2 is going to be offering. So as you can see, classical DJI style, matte white on the outside with only the drone and the controller showing. In this case only the drone, because it is the Fly More combo. So let's go ahead and see what we've got on the inside. So as you can see, the first thing that we're greeted by is by the shoulder bag, classical DJI style. Nice, nothing too crazy, nothing too complicated, just nice and effective shoulder bag. It's quite small, as you can see in size. And let's unzip it and see what we have inside this package. So the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and open is the actual drone. Here we have the all new Avata 2. As you can see, it comes protected with this pretty interesting looking bag, which I do appreciate DJI doing, as it protects the drone from any kind of scratches of going into the camera or the actual body of the drone. As you can see, there you have it, brand new 3-inch props. I really do like the new design and color scheme that DJI went with this new Avata 2. Here we have the charging case. This is going to be the charging station, and as you can see, we have 3 batteries in total. 2 of them are already inserted in the charging station, and the third one is actually inside the drone itself. Here we have something very exciting, something that's probably gonna change the way we look at FPV drones, and these are going to be the all-new DJI Goggles 3 with augmented reality, kind of what we've got going on with the Apple Vision Pro. So here we have this all-new design, as you can see, quite different from the Goggles 2, and even so, the Goggles Integra, I really do like what DJI did this time around with the new goggles for their new Avata drone. Here we have some accessories which you probably will need along the way to successfully operate your Avata, and this one is in fact the RC Motion. So ladies and gentlemen, there you guys have it. What a great unboxing video from our friend Bonakito. Props to him. I think this Avata 2 looks incredible. What can I say? The quality, it seems like it was taken to the next level from DJI. I really do like the new Goggles 3. They seem incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you in screen what the view you're going to be getting from these goggles. It's kind of gonna be like what you get with the Apple Vision Pros. Incredible what DJI is doing with the augmented reality. Insane. I can't believe that DJI is releasing this product to the market. I am very excited. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys are excited as well. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you have any questions or doubts, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.